Are you blind?
Madam, you were using your phone and your entire attention was on your phone.
Really? Now you will tell me where was my focus, where not? I'm already getting late for the interview. And now you. Can't you mind your own business? Once let me get the job. Then you will see how I will create problems for you.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey, open it now. Can't you see it's so much hot?
Yes, I'll open it. It's open now.
Couldn't you open it already?
Madam, if the gate was to be kept open in advance, then why did our boss install this fingerprint machine here?
Oh god. Old man, aren't you talking so much? Just once. Let me get the job once. Then I'll tell you who I am. My name is Swara Chauhan. Remember this name. Hey old man, can't you see? Open the gate.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it. It's done, ma'am.
Don't know who gives job to these old people after retirement. They don't know how to work and they want jobs.
Oh dear, I'm not that old yet.
The way you're working, you should get retired. Now focus on your work. Uncle, please, can you open the gate?
It's done.
Thank you. By the way, it's so much hot. Why are you standing outside?
I'm a security guard, so my job is to stand outside.
Still, sun is burning today and it's really hot as well. You can fall sick.
This is my job, so I have to do it, no matter if I am unwell or anything.
We people can't even stand for 5 minutes in so much hot. You have lot of courage. You're standing here for the whole day. Do one thing, you keep this water.
No, dear. It's okay.
Hey, it's okay, uncle. Keep this with you. It's so much hot. Thank you. Sir, my name is Swara Chauhan. I did MBA from Canada and did training on international level.
Very good.
By the way, can I tell you one thing? Those people who are sitting outside for interviews, they are just for show off. Because I'm the one who is getting this job. Because in all of them, I'm the one who has so good profile.
If you are saying this with so much confidence, then your profile must be the best. So, you do one thing, you wait outside. Whatever happens, our sir will finalize it.
Fine, I'm waiting. Thank you.
Okay. So, Miss Jyoti, tell me one thing. How do you like to work with your team and how do you manage them?
Sir, I can't work with those people who are junior to me. And I really don't want to be with such kind of people. I like to work with people who are equal to me. And I like to control things according to me.
Okay. And what matters to you? Your connections with your team or the results?
Result, of course, because if you are emotional, you can't be a good leader.
You look so professional.
Yes, sir.
So, Miss Jyoti, you do one thing, you wait outside. Whatever is final, our sir will inform you definitely.
All right, sir. Thank you.
So, Miss Ria, you tell me one thing that what matters to you? Your connection with your team or the result?
For me, it is connection.
And why that?
Because, sir, whenever we are working somewhere, it's very important to have a strong connection with that team. Because no company can be run by a single person. Whole team is running it. So how is mutual understanding in that team? How is the connection between people? It's very important. so that the team can understand ideas and perspectives of each other very well. And it is possible when people have good connection with each other. And if there is no understanding and connection between people, so company can't get growth. And if people have good connection with each other, so company can get growth really fast and it can be successful as well.
Very good. Okay, do you have a problem working with the people of a lower level than you?
Yes, sir. I have problem. But not working with who are juniors to me, but with those who have small mindset. Person is big or small according to their mindset. No matter if there is a security guard, his mindset is good. His nature is good towards other people. So for me, he is a good person. And on the other hand, someone is a millionaire and his behavior is not good towards other people and his mindset is not good. So for me, he is a very small person.
Okay, Miss Ria. You wait outside. Whatever is finalized, our sir will finalize it and will inform you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, everyone. I have given your feedback to my sir. Whoever will be final, our sir will inform you. He is our sir, Mr. Sudhanshu Sharma. Sir,
Sir, you were there outside?
as a security guard, huh?
Yes.
You, Jyoti. And you are Swara. Swara Chauhan. You both have good education and experience. You have confidence in you. In fact, you have overconfidence. But what's most important isn't inside you. Humanity. When you insult someone or make them feel small, then all your education and experience becomes zero.
Actually, sir. Actually, sir, we didn't know that you are boss of this company.
It is not necessary to know this, but it is important to understand it. The moment you insult someone or judge them by their clothes, you are no longer eligible for any post.
I know, sir, I did mistake. From now it won't happen, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Yes, sir, we're really, really sorry.
Look, it is easy to apologize, but it is very difficult to understand that you guys are worthy of apologizing or not. You people have not insulted me, but my thinking. And I don't want any employee with such narrow thinking in my company. That's the door. You guys can go. And you are Ria. After a long time, I have found a person with such a good thinking. You have humanity inside you. And you believe in teamwork. You can see the problem of others. I'm really feeling very great to hire you.
Yes, sir, sure. Thank you.
Best of luck. You will achieve a lot of success in your life. Just stay like this.
Yes, sir, of course. Thank you.